Hello everybody, welcome back to another tutorial video. In this video I am going to show you how you can make a control panel icon on your desktop screen like this. This is a control panel icon that I have created on our desktop screen, and you can find all kinds of information, all kinds of features which is very necessary for you. You can open from here easily. All the Windows setups are here, like add device, ADOS, printer setup, all devices which is very necessary for you. You can find from here. So let's go to create this icon in the desktop. So to do, first of all, we have to create a new folder on our desktop icon. And then there is a code. This secret code, it's called GodMode. You have to copy this code. After we have copied this code, just rename this folder and paste that code here. Then press enter. So in fact we have two scrub icon here, one is here, so we cannot. So right, we have to delete this first of all, and then come back here, press the code, press enter. See, our control panel has created here. If we open, you can find all the setups. This is all from this video. If you have any question, you can comment your question in the comment sections. So also I'm gonna paste this code in the description. If you need this code, you can copy from there. So till next video, have a good time. Bye bye, see you.